Hello students, welcome to the next session of instrumentation and process control. In the last session, we have discussed types of measurement like direct measurement and indirect measurement with its suitable example. Classification of measuring instruments and parts of instruments with their function were discussed to get overall idea of each element of an instrument. Performance characteristics, which is essential to select appropriate instrument for particular application, were discussed in detail. Lastly, we had overview of static and dynamic characteristics of the instrument. In today's session, we are going to cover temperature measuring instruments. Temperature measurement is a vital part of most industrial operations and is typically accomplished by temperature measuring instruments like thermometer, temperature sensors like thermocouple, RTD, in contact with a solid surface or immersed in a fluid. Although these sensors have overlapping temperature ranges, each has certain application dependent advantages. Several factors must be considered when selecting the type of sensors to be used in a specific applications. Factors like temperature range, accuracy, response time, stability, linearity, and sensitivity are taken into consideration. There are four types of temperature measuring devices, each of which uses a different principle. First type, that is mechanical devices. Examples are liquid in glass thermometer or bimetallic strip type of thermometer. Second is thermojunctive type thermometer. Examples are thermocouples. Thermoresistive. Examples are RTD and thermistors. And last category, that is radiative type of temperature measuring devices. Examples are infrared and optical pyrometers. In today's session, we will discuss different temperature scales. We will start with solid expansion thermometer. In that, we will discuss bimetallic thermometer. In liquid expansion thermometer, we will take an example of mercury thermometer. We will discuss principle, construction and working, advantage, disadvantage, and application of each instrument. With this, I welcome you all for next session of instrumentation and process control. Thank you.